The Kenya Accountancy and Secretaries National Examination Board, KASNEB, has today launched the Certificate in Accounting and Management Skills qualification for holders of KCSE mean grade D+. The qualification is aimed at providing the small and medium enterprises, NGOs, the public and private sectors, as well as the informal sector with qualified personnel in accounting, management and supervision at the lower levels. KASNEB also says it would make necessary changes to be in line with the ongoing reforms in the education sectors. National Treasury, Federation of Kenya Employers, Micro and Small Enterprises Authority, professional bodies and training institutions are among the stakeholders involved in the development of the certificate qualification.
In terms of going forward with this new qualification, once it is launched today, we shall immediately inform all our stakeholders, in fact, all the publics, so that preparations can commence for registration of students and for tuition to commence on 1st of July 2018. We expect to start examinations for CAMS in November 2018. So training institutions which are here today, immediately after today, we will start registering students and training can commence on 1st of July.